Yeah, ready? One, two, three, start. Hey, hi everyone. Good afternoon. Today we're gonna demo about some. We have investigated. We have taken five website and investigated what are the technologies and then how those website has been developed uh, in terms of users. With this report has been done for the midterm. Uh, in this, we are a group of three people, me, Durga, and Purna Chandra. We investigated and documented regarding those websites. In the first part, what we have done is like we have taken five types of websites, and we have note down the design and then usability of those websites. In the first website, like Shopify, it's an it is an e-commerce thing, because its graphical user interface was created with the customer in mind. Um Shopify is user friendly. It expedites the process of adding products, keeping track of inventories, and finishing orders while being easy to use. And it is clear in its instructions. The design component of Shopify include a library of pre-made web pages that may be altered to suit the unique requirements of any company. A consistent user experience across all devices is made possible by the structures, modern, streamlined, and mobile friendly designs. And the second thing is like Instagram. Instagram architecture is so straightforward and uncomplicated, that as it is quite simple to utilize the program and um, to start engaging with the postings right away, with functions like scroll feeding and easy of uploading photos and videos, and quickness with which they might get feedback through like comments, um, and doing the messages from one user to the other user. The interface that Instagram is very simple and minimalistic. It puts a big emphasis on pictures with the help of various filters and grid based layouts. Visual content like photographs and videos may be made more prominent, that any trouble using phone to access it, because the layout has been designed extensively for usage on the mobile devices. And while comes to the third website, it is the Coursera website. Sorry, it is the Coursera website. It is an online educational platform where user interface is made to be simple to use, and it provides easy course categorization, a powerful search engine that customized course suggestions. The design of the Coursera is state of the art and expert, with an emphasis on readability and clarity throughout it. The information about various classes is presented in an understandable way, and the presentation is clear. An area can be made uniform and visually appealing for learning by using same typography, color, and visual clues throughout the site. The next part will be explained by the Durga. Durga, can you please take over from here?
Yeah, investigation of five different types of websites. In this part, we can continue. I can go on with Book My
Yeah.
Show. If the in Book My Show, it's a simplified ticket purchasing process of various events, like movies, any other events that we can book on. And another is straightforward layout with clear in this website there is a clear descriptions on the easy navigations to the place where we book the tickets. This should be in this particular websites will go on. And This is about this website. And on the part two, like, can you go to the
Please
next
take it.
next slide, please? Can you go to the next slide, please? This is in the second part, we are going to investigate of the web development technologies which we used in this one. First one is a Spring Boot stack. It's a Java-based frame. It is a Java-based framework for building scalable web applications. And the next one, like in this one, MVC patterns as a foundation of its design. We use like these patterns for the uh, building of these websites. And we use the Spring Boot technologies for this one. And Django, and also we use the Django. This is a Python. Django is a Python-based framework for the fast web applications and development. Uh, and Second, like model view templates like MVT, which is called as MVT. This is the architecture which we use for designing applications and this kind of websites. Uh, from the next slide, the second, can you go to the next slide, please? Yeah, these two technologies will be explained by Malikarjun. Yep.
Yeah. If you go to the blockchain, blockchain framework includes Hyperledger Fabric, Quadra, and Ethereum. To name a few, I mean, framework offer different features and tools for creating blockchain apps. In blockchain network, each node maintains a separate independent copy of the distributed ledger to ensure the accuracy of all records and the security of all financial transactions. It employs encryption. And when it comes to the Node.js, it's a Java runtime called Node.js, is built on Chrome V8 engine. Although it is it still enables you to create JavaScript programs that make sure use of the full system. Whereas in Node.js, event-driven non-blocking architecture may make it possible to perform several queries in parallel without any experience of any hiccups. Um, the primary programming language for Node.js is typically the JavaScript. There is a sizable community of libraries and tools that support this language, and because JavaScript can be used for both server side and then client side programming, Node.js is a straightforward thing, whereas JavaScript is suitable for beginning programmers due to its board use and extensive documentation. Whereas where it comes to the React.js, the upkeep of the well-known JavaScript library, React.js, is Facebook's responsibility. The creation of website user interface is the main objective of the software. uh, to redundant page quickly, the React.js web framework combines a component-based architecture and uh, virtual document object model. The Next.js and then Gatsby, Redux frameworks can be coupled with React.js to construct more complex software applications. We make sure React.js programming language, it is possible to write code in JavaScript. The major language used to build JS, this is similar to HTML by utilizing a syntax extension called JASX. Yeah, these are the five technologies that we have documented as a part of the midterm. uh, I'm concluding this user-friendly design websites like Shopify, Coursera, prioritizing usability, making it easy for users to navigate and accomplish their goals. Whereas visual emphasis, Instagram, Spotify leverages visual effects to ensure experience the images and the creating visibilities. Whereas the future potential is like blockchain technology and React.js along with associated frameworks shows promise secure and dynamic web applications. These are, I mean, if you have any questions regarding these technologies and then website, please feel free to contact us so that we can discuss further regarding this. Thank you very much.